Hello Jane. They do say better late than never. So I'm hoping you buy into that premise. So you had asked to see on the last show 43 and 44, which is these two really big blue calcite towers. So I've got, as you may be aware, I don't know, we've got part 2 this evening. So although I've been very tardy in getting back to you, I was determined to do you a video before we carried on with part 2 later. So this one here, number 44 in the blue calcite tower, that's just over 11.5 inches centimeters tall and about 4 centimeters wide. So that one is a £45 tower, and if I swap that one for this one, number 43 is the biggest one of the two. This is a £49 tower, so it's about the same in width, but obviously it's taller. So this one is about just over 14 centimeters. Really big, heavy, chunky tower. So both of those are the blue calcite towers, and you'd also asked to see the fluorite sphere on the back shelf. So that is this one here. So I'm just going to push it back a little more into the light. So this one is a, as you can see, lovely large one, and it's got a really little interesting bit of inclusion just here that stands out quite a lot. So let's put the torch on it and let you see that better. So if I put it just above it, that should pick that up for you. So it's this centerpiece here. If we move it around, you'll get to see it better. So it's predominantly green, this one, but there are obviously the little zigzaggy inclusion lines that look a bit different, and then this mauvey purple section here, which almost looks like a mossy growth inside of it. Now that's a £65 one. That's quite a large sphere. I'm just looking for a measure. Here it is. So this one is 75mm, so a real stonker. And just for your info, I'll show you the other two large green ones we've got, because one of them is £49 and one of them is 48, and these ones are 65 and 64mm. That's probably just over 65, and these are green but with a little bit of bluey shot through them. So although they're a bit smaller than the other one, they're quite a bit cheaper. So in some ways they're better value, but obviously it's what appeals. And this one also has got quite a bit of blue flash to it, which is lovely windows inside to see. So the big one and those two are what you'd spotted and wanted to see, but I thought if you're going to look at that one, you might as well look at these two as well. So they'll be going up on the table at 8 tonight, but obviously if you did want any of those, Jane, just let me know and I'll pull them off the table. I'm sorry it's took me so long to get back to you, but yes, life's a little complicated this week. I hope you're keeping well yourself, and catch up soon, hun. Bye.